I wonder how we know.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Packing in the kitchen at 6 in the morning. We needed to get away for 6:30. I think this is the earliest we've set off, but it's due to get up to 35 degrees today, and we have quite a way to go. We'll still probably be hiking in 30 to 35 degree weather, but gives us a chance to hike most of it in cool weather. This is the feature that they talk about for Negreira, and it's the gate. There are a few hardy hikers out. There's always somebody who leaves at 5 in the morning, but generally it's quiet. The sleepy town that we've just left. Well, a short bit in the trees, then we pop out. Seems light, and then we go back into the trees. All we can hear are the hounds. An early riser. Yeah, it's me. Come through a derelict part of a village, and many arrears. There they are. You are 15 minutes from Santiago if you live here by car, so you can see why people might live here. So every house has its arrears. How much they're in use, what they're in use for, I don't know. Early morning light, and the birds are singing, and there's nobody. Good morning, day 34, the second day of our trip from Santiago de Compostela to Finisterre. So today is our big day, sort of 35 kilometers, not sure what. So we wanted to start fairly early, but in the end, people in the albergue sort of started moving at about 5:15, so we got up and just got on. So it's a little bit dark-ish when we started, but you don't need lights. So we're making our way through a series of sort of connected woodlands almost, and we're in some accommodation that's on one of the alternates, so not on the main route. But what is quite obvious and quite nice as well is just how few people there are on this section. You do see a few people, but we've been walking for an hour and not seen anybody. Whereas on the main route in Santiago, the last 100 kilometers, you can see 50 people an hour. But it's going to be a hot day today, which is why we're trying to start early. But let's see where the rest of the day takes us. Just over 8k in for our first breakfast. Coming to a bridge over a little stream just to break up the day. We've been going slowly up for the best part of 3 hours. Now I think we've reached the top of the ridge. Oh, we have. What a view. So, having got to the top of the ridge, we're just following the road for a few kilometres. 2 white horses appear in the wood. So, is a road walk any better if you're going downhill? That is the question. You leave the road and they take you into this nice little hidden path, which is sort of the width of a cart. The sun is coming up slowly. Just stopped in this village to buy 2 litres of water because I couldn't see any water taps listed. That's the big difference between this Finisterre route and the Camino route, main Camino route. Number of public potable water taps. But it doesn't matter. We keep going. Camino. You always have space for a bit of cabbage. So, in the middle of this village is your vending machine hut. Just a different landscape as we get closer to the sea. Closer means 40 kilometres, obviously. Wow, I haven't seen a cyclist for a long time. When there's one, there's 2. Looks like we're going west. I wonder how we know. Come on, Camino. It's about 10:30 in the morning. It's pretty hot. But you're walking along, there really is nobody. Maybe it wasn't 5 in 100. Maybe it's just less than 1 in 100 from Santiago to the Finisterre piece. I don't know. Looking at more plants. Sí.
Camino.
Juan Camino. Juan Camino. Juan Camino.
Camino.
Round the corner. And up another small rise. Bikes. And then we get vehicles. Under 50. 49.5 to go. Lots of view. You've come out from milking. So, just hiding in the shade. Hey, just hiding in the shade. here's right of way, sort of centre vie for Santa Marina. But the route takes us this way and it says that there's a bar this way. So that's what we're going for. Making use of one of these eating areas. Any bar on this Finisterre route is going to be by road because they can't survive on the trade of peregrinos. They've got to survive on trade of everybody. Just quiet country lane walking. Here we are. This is our break point where we go off to A Picota. A slightly different sign for this alternate. It's in green, just coming up to 100 Fahrenheit. And we've got another 4 kilometers to go. So, whew, I wouldn't want to do this in July or August. Oh, stop for a rest. To help you feel confident you're going the right way, they do these arrows for you. Not all the time, but enough. And the alternate is green. So some of them are green arrows, just to really make sure. They give you one of those and 2 arrows, yellow painted over green, and just wonderful plants with butterflies and bugs all over the place. You reach the top of the ridge to find all the wind turbines stationary. A variant route. I could probably guarantee this time of day there's nobody on it bar us. Trust the bollards. Trust the bollards. So we come down now to the forested area and I'm looking for clues as to which way to go. Oh yeah, fairly obvious sign. Looks like we're coming into the edge of town. Now on the corner here is a arrears, but it's made out of stone, not wood. Very different. I've noticed a few stone ones, but I haven't been able to get a good picture of one. So here we go. Here are the playground cows. I said we were doing 30 plus K. Let's have a nice room. So we have a living room, and we have a bedroom, which has a TV. The living room has a TV, and we have a bathroom the size of a kitchen. Cool.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.